नहीं, हम मुझसे समझना चाहते हैं ना भाई वजह क्या थी ये करने की।
नहीं देखें, आप ये भी तो देखें, वो बंदा इंडिविजुअली कर रहा है, नाम वो यूज हो सकता है, तहरीक इंसाफ का नाम यूज करता हो। कौन लोग हैं जो नहीं चाहते कि इलेक्शन हो? ये बताइए, इसके बारे में बताएं, कौन लोग हैं जो इलेक्शन नहीं चाहते? इस तरह ओपनली कौन कह सकता है कि नहीं? और फिर हमारे ऑर्डर के खिलाफ जब हमने कह दिया कि इसको कोई नहीं डिरेल करेगा, तो कौन डिरेल कर रहा है? पीछे कौन है?
We don't know, my lord. This is very strange kind of intervention, I would say. Contrary to law, the timing is very precarious.
Constitution पे आप बता रहे थे whose responsibility it is to hold elections.
Election Commission,
which is that provision?
218 and 219, my lord.
तो फिर मेरे ख्याल में जज साहब ही इलेक्शन करवा लें फिर। आप तो क्या उनको कह दें वही इलेक्शन करवा लें? मतलब यू नो, सॉरी, वी आर वेरी क्लियर। आपको याद है जब आपकी पिटीशन ये चल रही थी, हमने कहा हम आपका काम नहीं करेंगे आपसे, मगर हम आपका काम करवाएंगे आपसे। बहुत फर्क होता है दोनों चीजें में। तो फिर मेरे ख्याल में आप अब ये, सॉरी, दिस इज, आई एम रियली सरप्राइज, ऐसे ऑर्डर्स पास हो रहे हैं जुडिशरी से। किधर है वो आपका कौन सा प्रोविजन है?
218 का 3 and 219 का D. 218 3 218 ka
Swati, in their petition before the High Court, what is the precise allegation against the 1,000 people? क्या है इनको प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
They generally attack it कि executive जो है free and fair election नहीं करवाएगी.
As a concept,
not any individual.
No, but not at this stage when the election process has begun. सारा आपके पास टाइम था, आप लॉ को चैलेंज करते, जो मर्जी करते.
More than 6 years, these two provisions had been on the statute book. And the timing is very precarious. Just
ये अटॉर्नी जनरल को सुना?
एडवोकेट जनरल को जी सुना जी। एडवोकेट जनरल को अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफिस को भी।
Were you called for
the additional attorney general?
No, yourself.
जी, notice was under 27A. Notice was issued, but the additional attorney general had appeared.
You didn't appear?
I did not.
Why?
To be honest, I was not aware of this petition. I only came to know about the order when the order was passed in the evening day before yesterday.
Late in the
That's a very serious statement you're making. The Attorney General of Pakistan was bypassed.
I was in the Supreme Court.
If the judge is there, he should first of all ask where is the Attorney General of Pakistan. I'm going to pass such a very strong order. He should have asked where is the Attorney General, call him, then they could have sought time or whatever. But the office in the Constitution is not of the additional.
That's right.
There's a very clear demarcation. There is no constitutional provision of additional Advocate General. That's by the law.
That's by law.
The Article 100 of the Constitution says Attorney General of Pakistan. Did he solicit advice from you? The additional, sir, I've received this notice. What do you want me to do?
He did speak with me, and my instructions were to oppose the petition, and it is duly recorded in the order.
No, but आपने कहा आपको बाद में पता चला.
मुझे उस दिन सुबह उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि इसमें अब क्या होना है. When the order was passed, the morning.
नहीं, but ये नोटिस तो पहले दी गई थी, तो पहले क्यों नहीं पूछा उन्होंने?
ये उस वक्त मैं उसका.
It was on a day-to-day fixation, my lord. 13 से पहले एक दिन पहले भी फिक्स हुआ. 12 को हुआ, फिर 13 को हुआ. अगले दिन, very next day it was.
अच्छा, अगर ये कल बलूचिस्तान में एक पिटीशन फाइल हो जाती है, वो पंजाब के रोक देते हैं, सिंध वाले खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के रोक देते हैं.
जी.
It's very strange.
स्वाति, ये बताएं कि ये जो पीरियड है 7 days का ट्रेनिंग है,
7 days,
and then the program, election program kicks in on the 15th. आप जो होना था नॉर्मल टाइम्स में, जो
नॉर्मल टाइम में आज
प्रोग्राम आना था,
and we were going to continue it in parallel to the issuance of the election
and
program.
When is the actual job of the DRO in the program that comes into action?
That's the last date for filing of the nomination. लेकिन वो पहले दिन से शुरू हो जाती है, because on the very
first day. Nothing much has gone wrong in the sense that they can get back to some sort of training. And
हम 3-4 दिन पीछे चले गए हैं, but we are very tightly fixed.
ट्रेनिंग पे शॉर्ट हो गई.
जी.
लेकिन I remember not the last elections when I was Chief Justice in Balochistan. We had conducted the court till 2:45 in the morning. So these matters on the 11th hour, a petition is filed. Not the 11th hour, beyond And now you are in that danger zone where fallout will be delay of elections.
Absolutely, man.
They were waiting and seeing till that point of no return comes, then file the petition. And doesn't the learned judge realize all these things? Has he assumed the responsibilities of the Election Commission of Pakistan? Would it constitute misconduct on the part of the judge?
In fact, it was.
If he's violating an order of the Supreme Court.
In fact, it was also highlighted.
Please assist us.
Ji, my lord.
You wear a gown and then pass any order you want to.
You cannot. When they under Article 189, the learned judge is bound by the.
He's not only passed an order in the territory of Punjab. He's passed an order for the whole of Pakistan.
Notification. All four the set of notifications have been suspended.
आपने इसका कोई जवाब दिया था वहाँ पे? इसका पिटीशन का कोई जवाब दिया?
No, my lord, there was none. 12 को फिक्स हुई है और 13 को दोबारा उन्होंने कहा जी कि आके आर्ग्यू करें.
I think the best course for the judge was to say that the matter they should approach the Supreme Court in the light of the earlier
order.
Especially the notification is outside the territory of the Punjab.
Very, very true. Hello.
Attorney General, does it constitute misconduct?
My lord, I have to go through the code of conduct, but if there was a Supreme Court order,
provision of the Constitution,
clear provision of the Constitution,
does he refer to an order?
No, it does not. And there was a Supreme Court order which...
No, he doesn't refer to the order.
It does not.
He doesn't refer to a constitutional provision.
No, my lord.
He passes an order beyond the territory of Punjab.
So appears, my lord. And my friend has just informed me that the learned additional Attorney General, actually argued this point.
We may even issue contempt notice to the petitioner. I mean, he's a lawyer. He pretends to be a lawyer at least. How is he acting against the order? If he has a grievance, come to the Supreme Court. We pass the order. He claims to be representing a political party. On the basis of their petition, we had ordered elections.
That's right, man.
So what is this?
That's right.
So there are two things. One is that perhaps the best course would be that because there was a matter pending here, a direction had been given by the Supreme Court. The best course was for the High Court that take the matter to the Supreme Court.
That's
one.
Right.
Number two, the notification is such that it covers all the provinces.
That's right.
So one High Court dealing with one province cannot deal with that. There is a judgment also which in a CSS matter, the idea was to go to the Supreme Court because you can't upset. I mean, you're actually upsetting the other provinces who don't want to.
I believe there's a division bench judgment of my lord was heading the division bench.
That's right. Where the CSS exam was challenged, and they said if one province will do it, it will affect the entire exam for all the other provinces. So suppose people sitting in Balochistan and Sindh would like to go ahead, they are also affected. Sara dysfunctional ho gaya.
Notifications have been suspended throughout.
Attorney General, is he the same judge who had passed that order in the electricity petition? 1,600 or 1,100 petitions came before us.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, this is not on. You have to stay within the confines of the Constitution. We take oath to abide by the Constitution, the law. And Article 189 is bound on him, on all courts. I mean, he's really upset our order. He's sort of disregarded our order. I mean, he doesn't need to refer to it. He says suspended. His own Chief Justice saying that I can't spare judicial officers because I got 13 lakh cases in the province. So there will be a writ issued against the Chief Justice.
No. Can't be.
Sorry, this is not on.
What's the possibility? Could you just assist us? I mean, there was an earlier order, and the entire election is being, there was a direction that 8th February ko hoga, and Supreme Court has passed orders that no step would be taken to derail.
Yes.
So, what is the possibility that if such a case has been filed, that is to be brought before the Supreme Court? Could that case be taken away from the High Court and brought here?
There are past precedents, my lord.
So that it is heard at one place for the entire country.
Yes.
Why should we give a relief to a person who is a contemner? I use the word contemner because he is derailing democracy.
That's right.
Why should this person hold Pakistan to ransom?
It's actually an individual.
It's an individual, my lord. That's what
I'm inclined to. I don't know. I'll consult my colleagues to issue him contempt notice.
Once you get the petition here.
नहीं, क्यों उसकी petition को entertain करना?